Personally, I don't recommend it. What is a capsule makeup bag? A capsule makeup bag is like the beauty equivalent of a capsule wardrobe. Think curated, minimalist collection of essential, versatile products. Now, what inspired me to create one of my own? Well, I've been traveling the last month, and with one of those ventures, I was tasked with the dreaded challenge of going on a vacation with just a carry-on. This overpacker over here, just a carry-on. So I ended up picking the tiniest makeup bag that I personally had ever used and challenged myself to create the perfect capsule makeup bag for that trip. Something that was versatile, created a couple different beautiful looks, and most importantly, fit into my small bag and didn't take up much space. And you guys, it turned out so good that I'm gonna share it with you right now. I feel like I created the perfect vacation capsule just for you. This is one of the looks that I was able to get, and when I talk about each product, I'll talk about other ways that I would use them to change it up a little bit so I wasn't wearing the same exact look every day. Now, when I was putting it together, my thoughts were immediately versatile, minimalist, but also chic, right? I didn't pack this bag to look full glam. I packed it to just look put together every single day. And then so my mind went straight to the brand Merit. So I actually put a few of their products in my bag, and I ended up utilizing their products a lot because I find they are buildable and versatile in that way, and also quick, great for vacation. And then an amazing opportunity came up that makes this whole thing even better is they teamed up with me to get my capsule makeup bag of their products available to you guys. So I'm partnering with them in today's video. You can get my custom limited edition set that I am using in today's video at a discounted price. The set will be $128 as compared to $150. So you are saving a little bit of money. And in it, you will get the Uniform Tinted Mineral SPF, a solo shadow of your choice, but of course I'm going to be sharing with you the shades that I put in mine, flush balm of your choice, one of my all-time favorite lipsticks, the signature lipstick of your choice, and their brand new clean volume mascara. And you know how picky I am with mascaras, but the new one is really, really good. And then, like I said, the great thing is with each of those items, you get to select your own shades. So I will have the link in my description box, and you can save money by clicking the link. You have to shop through that. Now, don't get me wrong, I cannot get by with just those 5 products. I could get a look with just those 5 products, but your girl likes options. So let me show you what's in my bag. In celebration of my Merit set, I'm gonna start off with those items and then we'll get into the rest. So I decided to go with the Merit, the Uniform SPF, because it does give light coverage. You can build it up just a little bit, but overall it makes the skin feel and look really hydrated, but it gives just enough coverage so that everything is evened out, making it great for everyday wear. And it is a tinted SPF, so it does have SPF 45, making it perfect for summer. Think about it, I created this capsule makeup bag for vacation, and having a tinted SPF that's quick and easy to apply feels great on the skin and wears really well. So that's why I went with this. And then of course I needed color on the cheek. I wanted something that looked almost sun-kissed and extremely natural and dewy. So I decided to go with the Flush Balm Cheek color. I personally picked the shade Beverly Hills because it's that perfect. I've spent a little bit of time in the sun, but it's not too orange or too warm. On my complexion, this shade is very flattering, but of course they have a lot of other shades. Now this gives a really juicy, dewy look to the cheeks, which really fits in with the vacation theme and the skin-like everyday theme that I had in mind. And what I really like about this is versatile because you can also use this on the lips if you want something really monochromatic. Now this is so lovely. I remember when these first came out, I wasn't too sure about them, but I love them. They are so quick and easy to apply, and you can use this either on its own, just in the crease. So this is the Solo Shadow in the shade Vachetta. Now, like I said, you can choose your own shade, but this is the perfect no eyeshadow look just to give a little bit of definition to the eyes, but not being completely obvious that you have eyeshadow. It also is great just in the crease, and you can put something else all over the lid. You can even use this on the face to contour down the nose, underneath the lip as well. I don't think I demoed that, but I'm using the little brush that they have. This shade is just so versatile because it's like a natural contour shade. And I love this formula because it stays all day. It does not crease. So it's really nice for the hot summer weather. I highly recommend this shade. They have other beautiful shades. They also, I know, have satin. But I went with this because I knew the longevity was going to be unreal. And it's such a natural color that you can use in multiple places on the face. And I've talked about Merit lipsticks for years. They are so extremely luxe with the most gorgeous colors, and they sit on the lips really well. So this is your opportunity to try one. I went in with the shade Millennial because I think it is a beautiful mauve pinky shade, but it looks very natural on the lips. You of course can also, if you want something a little bit higher in pigment, whereas, you know, the Flesh Balm is more natural. If you use the lipstick, even just on the apple of the cheeks, it will give a bigger burst of color, or again, for another monochromatic effect. So the lipstick, you want to make sure when you put it in your capsule makeup bag that it does have some pigment and a somewhat matte finish so that you can use it on other places on your face, not just the lips. And then the last thing that's in my set that I brought along with me is their new Clean Volume Mascara. This also is available in brown, and you know how picky I am with mascaras. Like I cannot, not that I ever would fake any review, but I can definitely not fake a mascara review because I'm not working with much. And you see how good my lashes look? This holds a curl all day. It gives this lifted, buildable volume that does not clump. And you guys, the wand, it's a petite size, so I was literally able to touch my minuscule lower lashes and give them some definition down here as well. I am so picky about my mascara wands, and this, if you have very small, short, thin, sparse lashes, this brush hits them all from the root to the tip, dries nicely, lightweight, doesn't weigh the lashes down. For me, I mean, the proof is in the pudding here. My lashes very rarely look like this. I am not one to spend a bunch of money on a mascara unless they're very much worth it. And this one is so stinking good. So I'm so excited I was able to include that in my set because it is unreal. If you're watching this on TV, I have the QR code here if you want to check it out. And again, if you want to check out my set, shop in the link down below. Thank you to Merit for working with me and sponsoring this portion of the video. But I want to show you what else I added to my makeup bag. It's not too much stuff because again, we're trying to keep it minimal, but I did pack that SPF, but on the chance that I wanted more coverage, I packed one of my favorite, more versatile concealers. This is the Dior Forever Skin Correct, and I like this because it has the perfect consistency to also work as a more full coverage foundation. So if I just put a dot of this on the under eye, it works perfectly with the SPF for more natural makeup days. Honestly, sometimes I don't even put on concealer. I just put the SPF on my under eyes for those lighter daytime events. But when it came to evenings, because I went to Miami, this is, think of that, think of Miami. In the evenings, right, you want to doll up a little bit more. Sometimes I would use this for foundation, or sometimes I would just use it for concealer and then a little bit of added coverage if I needed it with my SPF. And then to bronze in situations like Miami, I prefer a cream bronzer. So I picked the Milk Baked Matte Bronzer. Now I went with this mostly because it is teeny tiny. A lot of bronzer packaging can take up a lot of space, but this has been a favorite bronzer formula of mine for a long time, and it lasts a long time because it's matte. So it performs really well in the heat, and I like the color Baked because it's not too warm, but it's also not too cool tone. So really tiny, great for a little makeup bag, but also just the perfect shade. And then for powder, I added the Hourglass Translucent Veil Setting Powder because I knew I wanted something that was really nice and soft on the face, but allowed the glow of the products that I chose to come through, and this is one of the best powders on the market for dry skin. It's not going to make the skin look dried out, but it's going to simply set the makeup. So that's why I went with this one. And then of course, I do need a setting spray. So I went with one of my go-tos for Miami. I used to live in Miami, so I know a thing or two about Miami makeup. So I went with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I have a little travel size of this, so it's perfect. And you can refill it with the full size that you have, but this truly does help makeup last longer. So that's why I went ahead with this one. It's also refreshing to reapply. Eyebrows, of course, is one of the most important things to do. So I actually went with the Rare Beauty Tinted Brow Gel. It adds just a little bit of tint to the brow, a little hint of a shadow, but for extremely natural makeup days, that's why I went with this. But it also has phenomenal hold, and the way that the bristles on this wand separate the brow hairs actually makes the brows look more full. So it will withstand the Miami heat. But again, think evening time, think wanting more of a dramatic look. I also added my ABH Brow Wiz. It's really small and thin and very precise. So this is for when I wanted to up the definition, the precision to my brows. The last product that I added for eyes was my all-time favorite eyeliner. I needed to make sure that it was going to last. I used the Lancome Lace Stylo, and you know I'm a brown eyeliner girl, and I really like this because if you apply it how I did today by using a brush directly on the tip of the product and then applying it on the lash line, it's going to provide a softer look, just a little bit more natural definition for daytime. But as you know, if you put this directly on the eye, you get really nice deep chocolate color. So for more dramatic looks, I do have this option. I could also run this through the waterline if I wanted something a little bit more dramatic as well. So it lasts, the performance is good, but you can also customize if you get just a light shadow of color or full-blown dark matte chocolate. And I told you, I kept it really, really simple, and I just picked one neutral lip liner that made my lips look more full, could be worn on its own as a very nice light shadow to the lips or not worn at all. I could have just gone with a little bit of my blush or my lipstick, just lightly patted on, but for more full coverage, I went with the Westman Atelier Lip Shape Lip Liner in Biscuit because it's a really natural shadow shade for the lips. It also matches pretty much any lip color. So I had to add this to the makeup bag, and that was it. This was the perfect capsule makeup bag for my vacation. I was able to get quite dramatic looks with this if I wanted, and then also really natural, fresh looks while also keeping the space that it took up very minimal. I'm really proud of myself for what I've been able to put together. And all of the gorgeous Merit products that I added in my capsule makeup bag will be available to you guys for a discounted price in a set. So link down below there if you want to check that out, as well as the QR code. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, Merit, for partnering with me on this really fun idea. And I hope this video helped you out. And I am challenging you to create your own capsule makeup bag and let me know some of the products you will be putting in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Have a good one.
It's delicious.